Hey everyone, and welcome to question 3 associated with the study designs lecture. As usual, I recommend you pause the video, attempt the question on your own, and then watch the remainder of the video to see whether you did it correctly. So in this case, we're evaluating for a possible association between tobacco use and a rare form of lymphoma seen in 1 in a million patients. And we were asked, what is the most appropriate study design? What is the general approach to this study design? And what would be the appropriate measure of association in this case? So if we recall from lecture, in the setting of a rare outcome, the most appropriate study design is a case control. And the reason why is related to the general approach. So we remember that in a case control study, we divide patients based on outcome status. So in this case, we would take patients with the lymphoma and we would compare them to a group of patients without the lymphoma by determining in each of these groups how many of the patients had a history of tobacco use. So the patients are grouped by outcome status, and then we're asking what is the exposure status within each of these outcome groups. So this is defined by a case control study. And again, a highly testable concept comes up over and over again. Whenever you're doing a case control study, you're only able to determine an odds ratio. You cannot determine a risk ratio like you can for a randomized clinical trial or for a cohort study. So always remember, case control study, odds ratio. If you had trouble with this question, I recommend you go back and watch the associated lecture. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and good luck.